Hello student, today we start with the standard 6th lesson 2nd components of food science. So in this lesson you will learn the different components or the different parts of the food, which are the different nutrients present in that, their role, what are the sources of this nutrient, the other food items which are eaten in different regions or the different part of our country or in world. So in earlier chapter we saw the different food items we eat. We also identified the food items eaten in different parts of India. अलग अलग इंडिया में जो पार्ट्स है वहाँ पे कौन से फूड आइटम्स खाते हैं वो हमने देखे थे. अ मिल कुड कंसिस्ट ऑफ चपाती हो सकती है, दाल और ब्रिंजल करी. इसके अलावा राइस हो सकता है, सांभर और वेजिटेबल प्रिपरेशन ऑफ लेडी फिंगर, दैट इज़ भिंडी, जो सब मोस्ट ऑफ द ऑफ अस दे लाइक. Yet another meal could be appam, fish curry and vegetables. So in all of this meal we can see that few of the grains are same, like wheat हो सकता है या फिर बाजरा, ज्वार और maize it may be, or rice, and some of them they are having dal or dish of meat which is the source of protein, and also along with that vegetables may have. Along with this grain, dal and vegetables, we may also have curd, buttermilk और pickle included in that. उसके अलावा भी कुछ और food items भी हो सकते हैं, घी हो सकता है ना. See in Gujarat specifically, in food we are having maize, wheat in more quantity rather than other like rice. वेजिटेबल्स में भी जो सीजनली वेजिटेबल्स अवेलेबल है वो हो सकता है. बटर मिल्क वी आर हैविंग इन आवर फूड, राइट. समटाइम्स वी मे नॉट रियली हैव ऑल दिस वैरायटी इन आवर मील्स. कभी कभार ऐसे ये सारे फूड हम खाते ऐसे है नहीं, कभी अगर कुछ खाते कुछ नहीं खाते. इफ़ वी आर ट्रैवलिंग वी मे ईट वट एवर इज़ अवेलेबल ऑन द वे, राइट. सो जब जहाँ जहाँ पे ट्रैवलिंग होता है बहुत बड़ा होता है, 1 और 2 दिन का ट्रैवलिंग होता है, फूड आइटम्स हम सारे दिन के लिए कैरी नहीं कर सकते. सो अवेलेबल ट्रेन में या फिर साइड रोड वे में जो अवेलेबल फूड होते हैं वो हम खा लेते हैं. इट मे नॉट बी पॉसिबल फॉर सम ऑफ अस वी टू ईट सच वैरायटी ऑफ आइटम मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम. हमें ये पसंद हो ऐसा भी नहीं, जो पसंद है वो हम खा लेते हैं. देयर मस्ट बी सम रीज़न दो वाई मिल्स यूजुअली कंसिस्ट ऑफ सच अ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. ऐसा है कि हम सिर्फ रोटी ही खाए जाते हैं या फिर राइस ही खाए जाते हैं. नो, दाल होती है या फिर जो नॉन वेजिटेरियंस है उनके फूड में एग्स होते हैं, फिश होते हैं, मीट होती है, बिकॉज दे आर हैविंग स्पेसिफिक पर्पज इन दैट. Specific food items they are present in it which is required by our body. Let's see what do these different food items contain. We may know that each dish is usually made up of one or more ingredients which may get from plant or animal source. These ingredients contain some components that are needed by our body. These components are called nutrients. So what are the nutrients? A component which are present in the food which are needed by our body, and these are nutrients specifically they are the like carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals. So in addition to this, food contains dietary fibers also. कार्बोहाइड्रेट, प्रोटीन, फैट्स, विटामिन तो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है, मिनरल्स सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट. उसके अलावा भी कुछ होते हैं वी कॉल इट डाइटरी फाइबर्स विच आर नीडेड बाय आवर बॉडी. डू ऑल फूड कंटेन ऑल दिस न्यूट्रिएंट्स? सारे फूड में कंटेंट्स होते हैं क्या? विच विथ सम पीपल simple method we can test whether cooked food or a raw ingredients contains one or more of these nutrients. कुछ chemical test होते हैं वो कर सकते हैं, and along with that we can come to know that whether these nutrients और कौन से nutrients वो food में present है. The test for the presence of carbohydrate, proteins and fats they are simple to do as compared to the test for other nutrients. जो हम सिंपली कर सकते हैं, कार्बोहाइड्रेट है, प्रोटीन्स है, फैट्स के लिए टेस्ट ईजी है. लेट अस डू दिस टेस्ट एंड रिकॉर्ड ऑल आवर ऑब्जर्वेशन. आई विल शो यू वीडियो फॉर दैट. यू जस्ट गो थ्रू.
Simple carbohydrates are the sugars found in anything sweet. Starchy carbohydrates are found in foods like pasta, potatoes, cereals and rice. A few drops of iodine solution produces a colour change from orange to blue-black. This indicates the presence of starch. So, will any of our foods test positive? Grape juice? Nuts? Or bread? Starch is present in bread, but not in grape juice or nuts.
You must have seen the video, you might have liked it. So for doing this test we need different chemical, different solution. प्रोटीन के लिए अलग होते हैं, फैट्स के लिए अलग होते हैं एंड कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स के लिए अलग होते हैं. If the required solution they are not available in the ready-made form, your teacher will prepare it and they may perform it. Let us begin by the testing different food items to see they contain carbohydrate. There are many types of carbohydrate. Its main carbohydrate found in our food, they are in starch form or sugar form. We can easily test if the food items contain starch with the help of iodine test. See, the activity is given. I have already shown the video for that, where starch presence can be done with the iodine test. So here in the test for starch, what we can do, we can take the small quantity of food item, in that add 2 to 3 drops of iodine solution. Iodine add करेंगे and what we can say, we can see the change in the color. It turns to blue black color. If the blue black color has formed, it shows that the given food item contains starch. जो हमारे पास food item है उसमें starch present है. So this is the test for starch with iodine. Similarly, we can also perform test for protein. उसमें क्या करना है, प्रोटीन का जो सोर्स लिया है उसे हमें क्रश करना है, पाउडर फॉर्म में लेना है एंड डिजोल्व दैट इन वाटर. वाटर में डिजोल्व कर देना है, मिक्स कर देना है. देन वी कैन टेस्ट इट विथ कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन एंड 10 ड्रॉप्स ऑफ कॉस्टिक सोडा ऐड करना है. सो ड्रॉपर से 2 ड्रॉप्स ऑफ कॉपर सल्फेट एंड 10 ड्रॉप्स ऑफ कॉस्टिक सोडा. जैसे हमें ये ऐड कर देंगे, वी कैन सी द रिजल्ट. See, after adding all the test ingredients, we have to shake the test tube. रेसिपी को अच्छे से मिक्स करना है and so we can see if the protein is present, that blue color turns into violet color. So violet color indicates the presence of protein in the food item. Violet color means protein present है. सी टेस्ट फॉर फैट इज़ ऑल्सो सिंपल. हमें क्या करना है, फैट है मीन्स ऑयली अपीयरेंस होता है उसका. अगर ऑयली हमें ये लगे मीन्स फैट्स प्रेजेंट है. सो फॉर दैट टेक अ स्मॉल क्वांटिटी ऑफ फूड आइटम, रैप इट इन द पीस ऑफ पेपर एंड क्रश इट. मतलब उसे हमें क्रश करना है. एक पीस पेपर में रैप कर लो, कवर कर लो और क्रश कर लेना. टेक केयर दैट द पेपर डज नॉट टीयर. पेपर फट ना जाए, नहीं तो हमारा जो कंटेंट है फूड का वो बाहर आ जाएगा. टेक केयर दैट द पेपर डज नॉट टीयर. नाउ स्ट्रेटन द पेपर एंड ऑब्जर्व इट केयरफुली. क्या ऑब्जर्व करना है, यू हैव सीन द ऑयली पैचेस ऑन द पेपर. और पेपर ऑयली हो गया. यस, इफ इट इज़ ऑयली इट सेज दैट द फैट इज प्रेजेंट इन द गिवन फूड आइटम. द फूड आइटम may sometimes contain a little water. Therefore, after you have rubbed on the item an item on the paper, let the paper dry for a while. ये तो फिर हमें ये ट्रांसपेरेंट वाटर की वजह से भी लग सकता है. तो पेपर को ड्राई कर लो. सो वाटर इज ऑयली, देन यू कैन easily see that. See, what do all this test shows, that fats, protein and starch are present in all food items that you have tested. Does the food item contain more than one nutrient? You will find the food items which are present in the given food item, different nutrients may also present. Along with these major nutrients, some minor like vitamins and minerals. To test this, we are having different tests for specific test for them. See, so many different nutrients are present. Why do we need that nutrients? हमें सारे फूड आइटम्स खाने हैं, मगर क्यों खाने हैं? हमारे बॉडी में उसकी वजह से क्या चेंजेस होते हैं, और why are our body needing these all nutrients? So carbohydrate mainly provides energy to our body. सबसे ज़्यादा क्या मिलता है हमें कार्बोहाइड्रेट से? एनर्जी. In fact, the fats gives us energy also, but fat gives us much more energy as compared to same amount of carbohydrate. मतलब कार्बोहाइड्रेट से भी एनर्जी मिलती है, फैट से भी एनर्जी, और कार्बोहाइड्रेट we get the instant energy. Therefore, carbohydrates and fats we call the energy giving food. Proteins they are needed for the growth and repair of our body. प्रोटीन से क्या होता है, हमारे बॉडी में ग्रोथ होती है, रिपेयर होता है. So sources are given. You can see wheat, rice, bajra, mango, melon. These are carbohydrate rich food. Along with that, the oil rich food also there. The groundnut nuts, still meat, butter. These all are rich in proteins. Therefore, these proteins they are often called body building food, क्योंकि इसकी वजह से हमारी ग्रोथ होती है एंड बॉडी में जो वेयर एंड टियर है रिपेयरिंग मैकेनिज्म से वो प्रोटीन की वजह से पॉसिबल है. विटामिन दे आर हेल्पिंग प्रोटेक्टिंग आवर बॉडी अगेंस्ट डिसीजेज. जो हमारी इम्यून पावर होती है ना फाइट करने की, जो हमारे पास ताकत होती है डिसीजेज से, जर्म से, वो हमें विटामिन से मिलती है. सो विटामिन ऑल्सो हेल्प इन कीपिंग आवर आइज, बोन्स, टीथ एंड गम्स हेल्दी. जो बॉडी पार्ट्स है उसको हेल्दी रखने के लिए मदद करता है. विटामिन दे आर ऑफ डिफरेंट काइंड्स नोन बाय डिफरेंट नेम. अलग अलग नेम है. लाइक विटामिन ए, बी कॉम्प्लेक्स होता है, सी, डी, ई एंड के. विटामिन बी कॉम्प्लेक्स उसमें B1, B2, B12 ऐसे अलग अलग नाम से, नायासिन है, बायोटिन, अलग अलग नाम से ये जाने जाते हैं. So these vitamins are so strong that the small quantity of vitamins are also suffice the required need of our body. So vitamin A, what is the role? It keeps our skin and eyes healthy. हमारा जो स्किन है और आई विजन है वो अच्छा रखना है तो हमें विटामिन A रिच फूड खाना है. विटामिन C, इट हेल्प्स इन बॉडी टू फाइट अगेंस्ट मैनी डिसीजेज. सो जो लेमन्स होते हैं, सिट्रस फ्रूट होते हैं, वो हमें खाने के जो खट्टे फ्रूट्स है, फूड आइटम्स से वी गेट विटामिन C फ्रॉम दैट विच इंक्रीजेज आवर इम्यून पावर. विटामिन D से क्या होता है? इट मेक्स आवर बोन एंड टीथ स्ट्रॉन्ग, जिसकी वजह से कैल्शियम एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है बॉडी में. फूड दैट आर रिच इन डिफरेंट विटामिन दे आर शोन इन द गिवन पिक्चर. यू कैन सी दैट विटामिन A में क्या होता है? जो येलोइश और रेडिश फूड आइटम लाइक मैंगो, कैरेट, पपाया, मिल्क एंड फिश ऑयल, उसमें विटामिन A होते हैं. विटामिन B किसमें थे? वीट, राइस एंड लिवर. इट कंटेन्स विटामिन E. विटामिन C जो ऑरेंजेस है उसमें विटामिन C प्रेजेंट है. तो विटामिन D इज प्रेजेंट इन फिश, मिल्क. लेट अस सी द एक्टिविटी वीडियो फॉर प्रेजेंस ऑफ स्टार्च, प्रोटीन और फैट्स इन गिवन फूड सैंपल and their sources.
Test for starch, protein and fats. We all need food for energy, growth and maintenance. We obtain food from plants and animals. Food must contain required quantity of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, dietary fibers and water. The food which have all these nutrients in required quantity is called balanced diet. In this video, we will understand how we can check if our food contains starch, which is a carbohydrate, proteins and fats. Let's first understand test for starch. First, we need to prepare a dilute solution of iodine. To prepare this solution, we will take a test tube and fill half of its part with water. Now, we put few drops of tincture iodine in it and mix it well. The dilute solution of iodine is ready for the test. To carry out the test, we will take small quantity of food item in a glass bowl. With the help of dropper, we will put 2 to 3 drops of dilute iodine solution to it. If the color of the food turns blue-black, then it means that food contains starch. However, if blue-black color is not observed, then it means that food does not contain starch. You will find that the food such as sweet potato, papaya, mango, food grains like wheat, rice, corn contain starch. Now we will understand test for protein. To test if the food contains proteins or not, we need to prepare a solution of copper sulfate. For that, we will mix about 2 gram of copper sulfate powder in 100 milliliter of water. We need to stir the solution well so as to have proper mixing of the powder. In similar way, we also prepare a solution of 10 gram of caustic soda in 100 milliliter of water. To carry out the test, we need the food in the form of paste. If the food item is solid, we will grind it to make its powder and then we mix it with small quantity of water. Once we get the paste of the food, we will take a sample from it into a test tube. We then add a drop of copper sulfate solution and about few drops of solution of caustic soda into the test tube. Check if there is change in color. If not, add one more drop of copper sulfate solution and few drops of caustic soda solution. If you observe violet color of the mixture, then it means that proteins are present in the food. Normally, proteins are present in food such as milk, cheese, wheat, salmon, egg, meat, fish, etc. Now we will understand test for fats. If we put a drop of oil on a paper, then it becomes partially transparent. For partially transparent objects, we use the word translucent. We will use this fact to test if the food contains fats or not. Take food sample on a filter paper. Fold the paper and crush food sample present in it. You may see a stain on the paper. Let the paper dry for some time so that if the food sample contains water, then it gets evaporated. Now observe the stain. If the stain is translucent, then it means that food contains fats. If not, then the food does not contain fats. Normally, you will see that foods such as groundnut, cheese, butter, chocolates, coconut, sunflower seeds and almond, they contains fats in it. So I hope you got good knowledge of the topic. Thanks for watching this video. Visit learnfatafat.com for more such interesting videos. You can now download Learn Fatafat Android app. For better learning, you can also buy your favorite course in the form of DVD, pen drive, SD card or tablet phone.
Let us have overview of the nutrients and the resources through the following video. Your homework is to write the nutrients and the resources in a tabular form.
Hi friends, today we will study components of food. A substance which is essential for maintaining life and for growth is called a nutrient. Our food has 5 major nutrients which are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Our food has 7 components which contains 5 nutrients plus water and roughage. Let us study the function of each of these components. Carbohydrates provide energy to our body. Glucose, sugar and starch are examples of carbohydrates. The main carbohydrates that we eat in our food is starch, which comes from cereals like wheat, rice, maize, millets, etc. Other common sources of carbohydrates are potato, sweet potato, sugar, jaggery and honey. Fruits like banana, mango, melon and papaya also contains carbohydrates. Like carbohydrates, fats also provide energy to our body. In fact, fats provides us twice as much energy as that provided by same amount of carbohydrates. For example, a little amount of butter, which is a fat, provides much more energy than a large slice of a bread, which is a carbohydrate. Fats are the richest source of energy. Both fats and carbohydrates provide energy. Hence, foods containing fats and carbohydrates are called energy-giving foods. Fats can be obtained from plants and animal sources. Plant sources of fats are groundnut oil, mustard oil, sunflower oil, coconut oil, etc. And animal sources of fats are butter, ghee, milk, cheese, eggs and meat, etc. Friends, fats and oils are similar substances. The only difference is that fats are solid and oils are liquid at room temperature. Proteins are the substances that are needed for the growth and repair of our body. Foods containing proteins are known as bodybuilding foods. The various foods rich in proteins are milk, cheese, pulses, peas, beans, fish, chicken, etc. Foods such as pulses, peas, beans, soybean are sources of plant proteins, and foods like milk, cheese, fish, meat, chicken and eggs are sources of animal proteins. Most of the food materials usually contain more than one nutrient. However, in a given food material, one particular nutrient may be in much larger quantity than the other. For example, rice contains large carbohydrates. Hence, rice is said to be a carbohydrate-rich food. Similarly, butter is a fat-rich food and chicken is a protein-rich food. Vitamins are necessary for good eyesight, healthy bones, teeth and gums, and proper digestion and normal growth. Vitamins help in protecting our body against diseases. Though vitamins are needed in small quantities, their presence is essential in our food. Some of the important vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. Our body needs all these vitamins in small quantities to remain healthy. Let us understand the functions of some of the vitamins and their sources. Vitamin A is necessary for good eyesight, healthy skin and hair. The important sources of vitamin A are milk, butter, carrot, fish liver oil, eggs, green vegetables, mango and papaya. Vitamin B1 is essential for growth and proper functioning of digestive system, heart, nerves and muscles. The important sources of vitamin B1 are milk, eggs, meat, whole grains, potato and green vegetables. Vitamin C is necessary for keeping teeth, gums and joints healthy. It also increases the resistance of our body to infections and helps in fighting diseases. Vitamin C is present in citrus fruits like orange, lime and lemon. Tomato, guava and green vegetables are also other important sources of vitamin C. Vitamin D is necessary for normal growth of bones and teeth. Vitamin D helps in absorption of calcium from food, which makes bones and teeth strong. Vitamin D is present in foods like milk, fish, eggs, butter and fish liver oil. Some vitamin D is also made in our body when the skin is exposed to sunlight. Minerals are required by our body for proper functioning, good health and normal growth. Some important minerals needed by our body are calcium, phosphorus, iron, iodine, sodium and potassium. Let us see the functions of some of the minerals in our body and their important food sources. Calcium is needed for making bones and teeth. It is also required for proper functioning of heart and other muscles and clotting of blood. Foods which are rich in calcium are milk, cheese, eggs, green leafy vegetables and fish. Like calcium, phosphorus is needed for the formation of bones and teeth. Some of the sources of phosphorus containing food are milk, pearl millet, banana, pulses and green leafy vegetables. Milk contains both calcium and phosphorus in good amounts. There is a thyroid gland situated in the neck of our body. It controls growth of our body. Iodine is essential for the proper functioning of thyroid glands. The various sources of iodine in our food are sea fish, fruits, vegetables and iodized salt. Iron is required to make hemoglobin present in red blood cells, which carries oxygen from the lungs to other parts of the body. Some sources of iron in our food are spinach, other leafy vegetables, apples, eggs, liver, cereals, pulses and groundnuts. Water is essential for life, but it has no food value in our body. But a person can live without food for several weeks. However, he would die in few days without water. Water provides liquid in which other substances can dissolve and move within the body or eliminated from the body. The important functions of water in our body are transporting digested food to the body cells, transporting important chemicals such as hormones around the body, removing waste products from the body, and controlling and regulating the body temperature. We get most of the water that our body needs by drinking water, milk, tea, coffee and juice, etc. Fresh fruits and vegetables also provide us a lot of water. Roughage is the fibrous matter in our food which cannot be digested. It is mainly made up of indigestible carbohydrate called cellulose. Like water, roughage does not provide any nutrient to our body, but its presence is essential for the normal working of the digestive system. Roughage is present in good amount in fruits, vegetables, whole meal flour products like chapati and whole meal bread. Balanced diet. The diet which contains adequate amount of all the nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals is called as a balanced diet. Balanced diet also contains sufficient amount of water and roughage. A balanced diet is not same for all age groups or occupations, and it varies on age of the person and occupation of the person. Deficiency diseases. A disease which arises due to lack of nutrients in our diet over a long period of time is called as deficiency disease. Let us see some various deficiency diseases. Deficiency of nutrient like protein causes kwashiorkor. Deficiency of protein and carbohydrates cause marasmus. Vitamin A deficiency causes night blindness. Deficiency of vitamin B1 causes beriberi. Deficiency of vitamin C leads to scurvy. Deficiency of vitamin D and calcium causes rickets. Deficiency of iodine causes goiter, and deficiency of iron causes anemia. Friends, that's all about components of food. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. All the best.